Hello everyone. Today I'm going to list all the new features in the new GWater 0.5b update. So I might as well just get right into it and spawn in the water. That's what you clicked on the video for, right? So I worked on the diffuse calculations, the foam, you saw the wave there, um, kind of go across the ground. So I tweaked them a little bit. I think they look a little bit better than they did in the previous update. Although I think that's more of an opinionated thing than a purely fact thing. So I'm interested to see what your thoughts on, or if you just don't even notice it at all and it looks nearly identical. That's fine too. So yeah, tweaked some of the diffuse calculations. Also tweaked the reflection calculations. So like grazing angles now properly reflects like pretty much all of the light. They didn't do that before. Now they do, which is more realistic. Anyways, um, also added these entities to play with. Blackhole, very nice. And then the black hole doesn't actually delete any particles, but you can use the drain if you want. Shove a drain in there, and it'll pretty much act like a black hole. There you go, just like that. So, working as you would think. Anyways, also the cloth. Cloth is very nice. Check that out. Probably won't spend too much time else on the cloth. Only reason I really added it is because it was in GWater 1, and I was like, well, I can't just not have something that was in the first version, but delete it in the second just because I don't like it. You know. I mean, obviously, it looks better than the first version, but you know, I'm not gonna go like this is a water add-on, man. I'm not trying to do the cloth, man. Cloth is cloth, not water. Anyways, it's whatever. I guess we can try and pick it up. Oh yeah, gravity gun support is fun too. Try and pick it up using something. Ah, it's getting caught in everything. There we go. All right, actually that looks terrible. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh yeah. There's some quality of life changes kind of everywhere around. Stuff that you wouldn't really notice, but now actually works. So disable collisions now properly doesn't collide with. Well, okay, it's kind of hard to see. There you go. So like you can see it's on the barrel, and if I hit disable collisions, it falls down because there are no collisions. Didn't do that before. Now it does. All sorts of nice quality of life features. So a lot of this update was working on the back end. Although these entities don't really seem like much, the actual like back end for them was a huge pretty much the majority of why the update took a month. So particle lifetimes is another pretty big deal. I think that'll be cool for creators. Like if someone wanted to make like a blood mod or something, and they wanted the blood to clear up after a certain amount of time, they could do that really easily now. It's just a parameter. So yeah, um, that's pretty much all that's in with this update. So the cool thing is, this update was kind of getting ready for the next update, 0.6b. 0.6b, I'm hoping, is going to be like a community based update. So if there was something that you wanted to add but haven't seen yet, then you can make it, post it in a, so I have like a special channel in the Discord where you can like post it, and if it's cool, then I'm like, oh shoot, can I use this in the official add-on? And then your whatever you made can get added into the official add-on. This is not to say that I'm lazy. All of these entities I could probably do in like 20 minutes. I could do all of these in like 20 minutes if I really wanted to. But I feel like it would be cool if you came up with your own thing and added it into the add-on as like your own whatever contribution. I don't know. I feel like that would be kind of neat to contribute a little bit to the official add-on. Um, so yeah, the API is really easy to use. You can use the code itself as a reference. I don't really have any set documentation, but if you need help, then feel free to ask me. I'm always open for helping you with using my interesting API. But all of the code in these should be relatively easy and self-explanatory. Um, Even if you're like an amateur, I've never touched Lua before. I don't think it's that bad. So, um, anyways, that's pretty much it for this update. Um, Hopefully you enjoy, and I will see you guys in another video.